BB851, turn right heading 180. Order 14 Papa, turn right 245, report localizer established 27.
Hey everyone, welcome to DJ's Aviation. In today's video, I'll be revealing the brand new livery for WestJet. The airline isn't the first to have a rebrand this year, with so many other airlines switching up their image. It signals a changing of the times. Lufthansa, Austrian and Gulf Air are among the few which have already announced they'll be getting a new lick of paint in the near future. Today, however, it's WestJet. The new livery ties in with the cabin product announcement on their 787s, which will be coming in 2019, and of course have been displayed on this very aircraft in the renderings. It's quite common for airlines to change their liveries when a new aircraft like the 787 joins the fleet. Airlines sometimes even alter their liveries just for the aircraft. For example, the China Southern livery on the 787s is in fact unique to that aircraft. On the other hand, Qantas changed their livery completely just to fit in with the arrival of their new 787s. The official WestJet website states the following in regards to this new livery. Drawing from Canadian themes, the cabin interior welcomes guests with a rich colour palette, a soothing alpine lake blue in economy class, Aurora-inspired shades and tones in premium economy and in business class, luxuriously rich earth tones inspired by the splendour of Canadian summers. Adding fittingly, our new Dreamliner is adorned with a new refined livery. Our WestJet wordmark is presented in a newly stylised font, while the maple leaf on the aircraft tail pays tribute to our Canadian heritage. Our national pride is displayed prominently with Canadian flags and the spirit of Canada on the Dreamliner's fuselage. The new livery will feature on the 737 MAX 8s first, and then in January of 2019, the first 787-9 will wear it. The airline at this stage has 10 orders for the 787-9s, with another 10 options for the aircraft. So what do you think of the new livery? Personally, I really do like it and think it'll look fantastic on all aircraft types. In regards to the design, I almost feel like we're looking at the Qantas 787-9, but with a different tail design and colour layout. For example, the Spirit of Canada is almost identical to the Spirit of Australia on Qantas jets. I'd just like to apologise if my audio has been a bit off today. I am quite unwell, and it's a bit of a struggle to get up and record these videos. So hopefully I'll be better in a few days and then audio will return to normal. Either way, I'd like to thank you very much for watching this video of mine, and I do hope to see all of you in the next one.